Hello, my name is Maite, and today I will talking about a research project called Synthesized Characterization and Cytotoxic Evolution of the Potassium jarosite solutions added with non-metallic precursors for the possible treatment of the osteogenic tissues. The potassium jarosite has had a great impact on the zinc industry due to the precipitation wanted metals such as iron removed through leaching process, where jarosite residue must be filtered and discarded, so having a high grade of the acidity are considered wasted. The jarosite types compounds have been known the absorb hazardous was better than other minerals to the substitute elements. Give its limitations such as the incorporation of heavy metals and the degrade of the acidity. It's not been possible to evaluate the biocompatibility of this mineral. So in this work, was proposed to synthesize potassium jarosite solution at 0.2 molar with the traditional metal adding precursor non-metallic of high purity, the calcite and dolomite. The material obtained was characterized with CEM techniques to vary the particle size, morphology, and the elemental maps using the ADE techniques. To determine the phase of the material, it was characterized for the X-ray diffraction and infrared diffraction. Once the material was characterized, cytotoxic was evolution using the alarm blue techniques, using mesenchymal cells for 3, 7, and 10 days of evolutions. The indexing of the XRD diffraction spectrums determined the majority phase of the hydronium jarosite and the presence of the calcium carbonates for the JKC sample and the calcium and magnesium carbonates for the JKD samples in the micrograph granulars and tube-shaped particles with diameters of the 4 microns wide and 43 long were obtained. In the elemental mapping, it was possible to correct the presence of calcium for the JKC sample with 4.9% and the presence of the magnesium and calcium for the sample JKD with 1.7 and 0.2% the magnesium. The infrared spectrum determined the vibrations modes of the presence of carbonates in the longitude of 2, 1, 2, 3 and the characteristic bonds of the jarosites. The result of alarm blue showed an error of 0.01% and at the 10 days of the JKD samples, and the JKC samples of the 0.01%, such as combination of the natural and synthetic materials obtains good results, be added minerals such as calcium and magnesium in the structure of this mineral. Thank you.